And as the window for the nomination is about to close in the next 24 hours, Congress party has released another list of candidates for Bihar. This time, 48 candidates have been announced in Bihar elections from the Congress party. Bihar Cong chief will be fighting from Kutumba, as well as several names have been announced. But the big question is again, when is the seat sharing deal in the Mahagathbandhan be announced? Where is this meeting headed between the alliance leaders while the Congress party is releasing candidate list? Where is the seat sharing agreement that will be finalized between Tejashwi Yadav, Rahul Gandhi and others? The whole agenda of this meeting was Rahul Tejashwi holding a meeting, but that meeting is not going to happen soon. The aides are meeting, there is a team meeting going on, huddles in both camps, but the final result is nil. We are seeing another list coming in from the Congress party. Several faces are being promised that they will contest this election. But the question is, where is the seat sharing formula? That is the biggest question till now. My colleague Raman Rai is joining me, who's tracking all these Bihar details and developments. Raman, first highlight the names in the Congress list that has just now come out.
Yes, it's been too late, but still the Congress first list is coming out, and 48 names have been declared by the Congress party. And some of the big names are the Shakil Ahmed Khan, who has been CLP leader earlier with the Congress party, and Congress Bihar President Rajesh Ram also got the ticket this time. Sitting MLA Neetu Kumari and Pratima Kumari Das, these are the two female figure of Congress party. They had earlier contested and they both repeated the tickets from the Congress party, and around 48 members have been declared by the Congress party in the first list Congress declared today, and yet there is not seat sharing and deal is done inside the India alliance, but still Congress party is declared the 48 names of the candidates.
Absolutely, and one important point over here, and the one constituency that is in focus is the Bachwara constituency, which will now see a friendly fight because left has already announced their own candidates. So why is Mahagathbandhan fighting each other instead of posturing a stronger front in front of the NDA?
Exactly. See, there are 3 or 4 seats where the Congress party and the RJD and the VIP are colliding with each other, like Bachwara seat, where the Congress is also fielded their candidates. CPIML also fielded their candidate on that Bachwara seat, as well as the Jalis seat and the Kehalgaon seat. These 2 seats are the seats where the RJD and Congress both are trying to contest on these seats, and the tussle is still going on. But Congress party still released their first list, and we have to wait for the RJD's first list, that how many candidates and whom are the candidates which get their names in the first list of RJD.